There are 44 sounds or phonemes in English language. These are divided into three types. They are vowels, consonants, and diphthongs. In this lesson, I will talk about these two consonants, marked in red. In this lesson, you will learn how to pronounce the TH sound, th and th. So when you see the H, you pronounce it th or th. You see? Now repeat after me. Th, th, or th, th. Now listen for th sound. My mother and father are close with each other. They make clothing from leather and they do it together. Listen once again. My mother and father are close with each other. They make clothing from leather and they do it together. Okay. Place a tongue between your teeth and push out the air. Okay, can you do it? So now, repeat after me. Mother, mother, father, father, clothing, clothing, leather, leather, together, together. There, not there, not there. There, the laptop, the house, the boss, the table, the chair. But when you see A, E, I, O, U, the, let's see. The apple, the earring, the eyes, the orange, the university. Now, listen for th sound. Think about things which are thick or thin. Do you think your teeth are thick or thin? Listen once again. Think about things which are thick or thin. Do you think your teeth are thick or thin? Okay. Now, place a tongue between your teeth and push out the air. Okay, can you do it? You see? Now, repeat after me. Think, think, thing, thing, thick, thick, thin, thin, teeth, teeth. These consonants are really important. Many people pronounce th as plosive th or th, which is not. Th is voiced while th is voiceless. Th is produced with vocal vibration while th without. Tell me in the comments what sound you hear. Th or th, and explain why. Whether the weather, Whether the weather be fine or whether the weather be not, whether the weather be cold or whether the weather be hot, we'll weather the weather. Whatever the weather, whether we'll like it or not. Okay, practice at home. Bye.